Well, let's continue with designing advertising videos. So let's do something. Look at the prompt, create a video ad showing social proof for a skincare brand display, customer reviews with text, 5-star rating, and I love this product. Add smooth transitions between reviews and keep the design fresh and minimalistic. Use soft background colors to create a calm, smoothing vibe. Let's find out what it does for us. Well, I just ran out of my credits, as you see. Therefore, it's in the relax mode. And in relax mode, you might face it a lot. It takes a longer time for create a video, probably 10 to 15 minutes. So I'm going to stop the video and then see the result. Well, this is the result. And it's not an interesting thing. Well, there are some problems. First of all, try not to give it a long text. For example, if it's only supposed to be text-oriented, it's better to use similar tools for adding the animation and the texts. Okay, so let's do something else. Display a customer using and loving the product with the text 5-star rating. I'm also going to delete this and then smooth transition. Let's also delete this. Keep the design, let's keep it. You see, generally the purpose is we're going to write a lot of prompts together and edit and then see the final result so that you get the hang of this AI, which is actually the best way. You know, the best way for getting the hang of using these kinds of AIs is that you write so many prompts so that you understand what is going on. Well, and don't use verbs a lot, just soft background colors to create a calm, smoothing vibe. You know, it is better not to use a lot of verbs, something like that. So let's see what this does. Well, this is the result. And as you see, it is very interesting. Now, of course, instead of the font, it says 5-star and then it shows 4 stars. But you can edit it later. But if you have to, well, it's obviously better than hiring a model and then film them and then, you know, get the result. You can get it done by just giving it to the AI. You see how better it is. It is absolutely amazing for companies. It is astonishing. And if you have a page and if you need any type of videos, you can easily use this AI to get it done. Now, in the next section, we're going to emphasize these things more, to use more details to advertise on Instagram and other social media websites. That's it. Have a very good day.